I'm Yolanda and I live in Alexandria, Virginia. Well, I started with housing because of a traumatic event that happened in my life, and it caused me to be unable to work. I was really unable to function, honestly. I'm working on getting a better education so I can be off of housing, and so it's helping. So, having that to fall back on is helping me be able to do that. So I like to help people. Like, that's my thing, and especially like trauma is something that is, a part of me, my life. And so if I can help someone else with their trauma, then that's, just the best. To me, that's just, I don't think there's anything better than that, helping someone. Well, I would like to be working in victim services. I'm not sure where, but I'm just hoping that I will be helping the victims of sexual abuse.